morning, guys, and welcome to the shop. So the last time we were in the shop, we put 2 coats of epoxy primer on the tub, and then we followed it up with some high build primer. I've put the dash in to work it. I'm going to have to pull it out one more time and go ahead and put the brake clutch pedal assembly in there. And I think that'll be the last time I have to pull the dash. I think I'll be able to get the steering column in with the dash already in there. I'll have to check on that. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, that's in. Today I want to get started on working the body. This is going to be the slowest process for me, so I'm going to try to slow down to make sure I do a good job with this. So I think I'll break this up into sections. Maybe from this corner to just in front of the wheel well there. I'll get started on it. I'm going to cut it down with 120 grit. And then I've got some Evercoat Rage Ultra that we'll be using to straighten this body panel. But yeah, that's what we're doing today. So I'll set you up stationary, probably fly through this. I'm not an expert, so I really don't want to do a how-to on it, but I'll show you how I do it. But anyway, so yeah, that's the next steps. Let's get this thing ready for sealer and then the final painting. Stay with me. Alright guys, so there's about 6 hours, I guess. I got this side as smooth as I can tell by hand, and then here down the side all the way till about right in here, I guess, in this area. All that's as ready as I can tell by hand. I've got some guide coat. I think next I will smear some of that on there. Make sure that I've got it nice and straight before I move on to the next part. But I'm liking this filler. That stuff is sanding really well. I like that. Easy to work with. Anyway, that's where I'm going to leave it tonight. We'll pick up again. I think if I'm calculating right, I'm looking at about 5 days, at least 6 hours a day to get where I want to be, hopefully. So what would that be, about 30 hours? Probably take more than that. But yeah, it'll take what it takes. Anyway, yeah, that's where I'll leave it. We'll pick up again tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's been a few days, and I've gone through and gotten the panels as straight as I can get them, for the moment anyway. So today's plan, today's plan is I want to get 2 coats of high build on it. And then to block it with 400 grit and see where I am. But it's coming along. Hopefully, if all goes well, this will be the last step before I get to spray it for the final time. So I'll get you set up, and we'll get this thing sprayed. Alright guys, there it is. From what I can tell right now, it looks decent. I do see a few spots where I'm gonna hit it with some glaze. But yeah, next step I will go over the whole thing with 400 grit and see where I am. But that'll be next time. This video is getting a little long, so I need to stop it about right here. But yeah, hopefully I'll get that cut down with 400, and next time we'll be ready to spray. We'll see. Thanks for coming by the shop. God bless you, and I'll see you next time.